Wait, they say something quick now? Come in no quick no Chanel. So me I say, are the people that really make me get banana?
I just comment and say hey.
Oh, see, me see. So me not moderator there. Shit, wrong something this go.
You block me.
Hush. Alright, I confirm. So me not have no mads. Follow me back. That's crazy though.
None of them know over here. Any of my mads for the life.
That's crazy. Buckle it. God no. Remember the slippers are really TT asleep. I forgot that down my comment section because I wanna cause me forget banana because be a crazy this now go out with the night comments. I mean I know all the eat me so God know. Me no want no more moderator. Can a moderator not the right stuff? No moderator, you want a moderator when I have. When me are doing so much moderator. Mama me are so banana me something. People them say stop chat. And come out and chat.
Yes, somebody comment and said they not like nothing good.
Remove them dirty self and go from us. So now I hear nothing from them. Finally, I start it downstairs until tomorrow I get back my big page. Now I'm going to stop my idea. Not my idea. Is it? Yo, no, you. Oh, you got me like this, is it? I swear, I like the whole design. Chanel, where are you? Yeah, watch it. Because Mr. Chanel stand up and start watching my
picture.
Come on, fast. Okay.
Hey, when it comes first each time you want to buy, there's a leg. So you walk one day, you like it.
Sometimes they say people say lose weight, you have to thank God for losing weight because you never know where you're going to lose something good. What's your sound now?
Me a vlog.
That's all in there, son.
Guys, y'all remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
My vlog is just like you.
My YouTube channel name is Vibe with Shan.
You know, say that girl that follow fashion. What my YouTube?
Follow fashion name.
What my YouTube channel name?
Life with Annie.
Follow still. You ready?
Not one evening she was stopped. Yeah, but we said, you know, no quality because no matter which one you have, so you need
So your son not going to travel with second night car?
You want to go back up a D?
No, go over the song.
No, go back up a D, we can go.
We don't want to go back up a D. Hey, you want Cheese field. Oh, I just let me know your face, Celine. Yeah, what go on, you good though? You want to come and know your face, so I'm like now. Me have you so. Me say driver go carry up the Chanel, you know? Guys, me tell you, Chanel don't know for have fun. Chanel don't know nothing about having fun. I lie, guys, I lie.
Just give me some rum for drink and me gone.
Oh, so she have to drink rum before she can have fun. I tell you how she stay, she just stuck up. She just need that. Oh, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not this. Which way you want to go now? You want to go?
I don't know which bar you want to go.
Eh? Alright.
Somebody has sent you a request. How would that? I don't know the name there.
I'm a little friend. The Wi-Fi never did a pick up. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Come on, me I hear you. You can't invite me. You can't invite me.
I can't take that place, sir. Yeah, they want to pick up.
See if I can invite you.
Of course.
Which part you there?
Friday. So that every time I join him, wait.
When Uno has man comfortable to dress up so every day. That's enough for your business.
I'm gonna watch him. Go on. No. Go on. I don't want to watch over there right now.
You're not ever close the food. T-shirt.
Guys, you can say I want money gun. I want wheel. I want lion. You know I'm done soon, because I'm not saying.
I have a Wi-Fi connection problem here.
Yeah, man, me know.
A true man, them have to sell you something for your dance.
Hey, no dance
Yeah,
over
can I
here.
broke out and I go and say them not saying nothing. Guys, look at the something on the triple chat. Yeah, let's skin guinea. I don't know how this a place so you can't pick up service and there's something there. That this is people them place so that me I tell
I'm
you.
sorry, guys.
There's no spot where they can't dispute them place. Guys, we are trying to say we can't pick up.
You look like it's a word now.
Yeah, it's nice, not true. You can send more lion. Chanel. A Chanel or Chanel? Chanel,